Hey, can I call you back, please? Hi, my name is Teacher Jasmine, and I'm changing the way that English is taught around the world. If you want to finally know how to use can and could, keep on watching. Alrighty, so make sure you like this video right now. Pause the video and like it. Let's get to 100 likes. Make sure you subscribe or follow me wherever you see this video. The infamous can and could. What is the difference? Let's look at some examples. So as I just said, let's say you are already on the phone and someone is calling you. So you may tell the person that you're on the phone with right now, hey, can I call you back, please? Can I call you back? All right, they'll say, sure. Yeah, someone's on the other line, okay? So that's one example of using can. Hey, could you send me the address, please? Hey, could you send me the address, please? This may be for a friend. This may be at work. Hey, could you do this thing for me? It is a little bit more polite, but we're going to get into the details in a minute. Mommy, can I play with my toys, please? Your children, your nieces, your nephews, your godchildren, whoever, they may accidentally call you mommy. Okay, so mommy or daddy, can I play with my toys, please? You may hear your children ask that. They speak English. Can I do this thing right now? Can I? Okay. Could you take me to the airport tomorrow? Hey, could you take me to the airport tomorrow? If you're traveling and if you would like someone to bring you to the airport, this is a polite way of asking. So can and could can be both used in the present. Can, for a fact, is the present. Could is usually, it is the past tense of can. Okay, so can is in the present. Could can also be in the present. However, it is the past tense of can. Could is used in the present to ask for a favor. We use this in a polite way of asking someone something. Could you do this for me, please? So if you have a customer, if you have a coworker, your boss, you're a boss and you would like your employees to do something for you, instead of saying, do this, you ask them, hey, Jasmine, could you send me over the files for the patient? Or you have a client and you need them to call you. Hi, Samantha, how are you? This is Jasmine from CCC. Could you give me a call at 555-555-55? All right, looking forward to hearing from you. All righty, bye-bye. Could you do this thing for me at this very moment? Could you? It's in the present, even though it's supposed to be in the past too. Okay, can be used, as you see, children. Mommy, can I play? Mommy, can I drink? Mommy, can I go? Daddy, can I buy? Daddy, can you buy me this? You're going to hear it. Can you? Can you and could you? They are interchangeable when you're asking someone to do something for you. However, if you would like to sound more polite in American English, could, should be used. Now, once again, can is not used to talk about something you were able to do when you were younger or in the past. So let's look at some examples. So now, talking about what you were able to do, what you could do in the past. For example, I could eat 10 slices of pizza when I was younger, meaning that right now, currently at this time, you are not able to do that anymore. You cannot do that anymore. So you could. When I was younger, I could do this. I could do this. I could do this when I was younger. I could run 2 miles in 15 minutes in college, meaning that when you were in college, maybe you did track, maybe you ran a lot. So you were able to run 2 miles within 15 minutes. Now, I'm not a runner, so I don't know if that's super fast. Tell me in the comments, is that fast for a runner? Okay. I could read 10 books a month in high school. So in high school, you were an avid reader. So now currently you cannot read 10 books in a month. Maybe you can read 5. That's less than 10, right? So you were able to do this thing. So let me break it down to you one more time. So we have can, I can do something, and could do something. When do we see them both? In the present. No more questioning, no more wondering. Can I use it in the present? Yes, you can use them both in the present. Now, can is usually talking about your ability to do something. We use this more. I can sing, I can speak, I can write, I can run, I can dance, I can do this thing, I can cook. What can you cook? What can you sing? What can you dance? I can. In the present, you're asking for permission or a favor, usually. For could, we're using them. Also, we're using can for asking for permission. Can I do this? Can I go to the park? Can I go with you? Can I go to the gym with you? Can we go to the movies tomorrow? Can I go to the movies tomorrow with you? Asking for permission, talking about you're able to do something. In the present. Could, also in the present, but usually a more polite way of asking to do something. Hey, could you send me this? Hey, could you text me this? Could you tell Jasmine I'm going to be late? Could you tell the boss I'm going to be late? Could you pick up my dry cleanings, please? Could you bring me to the airport tomorrow? Could you finish all the files by today? Could you finish the project by today? Could you finish the cake today? Could you finish the cake tomorrow? Could you do this thing? This is a polite way. Hey, could you bring me some more water, please? Hi, could I have some more water, please? Hi, could I have some more coffee, please? Could I? You can also ask, hey, can I have some more coffee, please? Both are asking to do something. This is more of a polite way of asking. Now, we cannot use can in the past. We can only use could in the past. I could run 2 miles in 15 minutes when I was younger. I could read, I could eat 5 hamburgers and 5 slices of pizza when I was younger. Something that you were able to do. You could do this thing when you were younger, or you could do it 5 years ago, or you could do it a year ago, or you could do it yesterday, but you can't do it now. No more. It's in the past. It's finished. It's done. Okay? This is your homework. If you work for a business and you are part of the social media department, the digital marketing department, if you are a business owner, if you're a boss, if you want people to know more about your business, your company, you can ask them, could you please follow me? Could you please follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at CCC Language Learning. Obviously, you're going to put your business name, but I'm asking you, could you please follow me there on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, Snapchat? Follow me at CCC Language Learning. Number 1, could you do this for me, please? Now, how many, in the comments below, tell me, how many languages can you speak? Can you speak? If you said, how many languages could you speak? That means that you no longer can speak those languages. Or when you were younger, you were able to do this and you're not able to do this now, okay? Can you tell me what is your favorite color, please? Or can you tell me what your favorite color is? Tell me in the comments below. What could you do when you were younger that you can't do anymore? So for example, a lot of people may say, when I was younger, I could stay out until 5 o'clock in the morning, but I can't do that now. Alrighty, so this is how you use can and could. I hope this has solved any questions that you have. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. I guarantee you won't have to think about it anymore. You know exactly how to use can and could now. If you like this video, let's get, I said 100 likes at the beginning of the video. Let's get to 1,000 likes. I want to make another video on should. The next video is going to be on should. So get me to 1,000 likes. The next video will be should. Alrighty guys, make sure you share this video with someone that you know that wants to speak English cool, calm, and confidently. My name is Teacher Jasmine from CCC Language Learning, where I will help you to feel cool, calm, calm, and confident in your life and while speaking English. Bye.